up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a love, the by high, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you'll find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to, oh why can't I? Oh, someday wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like a lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. That love dream that you dare to, why, oh why can't I hide? I'm coming home, tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my heart came down the ways, and they've forgiven my mistakes. I'm coming home, tell the world I'm coming. I'm back where I belong. Yeah, I never felt so this strong. Hey, I'm back feeling like there's nothing I can't try. Nothing. And if you really feel your hands, hide your hands high. God, you lost a life before me. This morning for you, look at your hands high. Dreams keep it on your right. That is great. I'll be with you. I had the tears of a child. I hate that song. I always feel like they're talking to me when it comes on. Come on, another day, another dawn. Another Keisha, nice to meet you, get the mad bomb bomb. What am I supposed to do in the club lights tomorrow? It's easy to be punk, but it's harder to be Sean. What if my twins ask why I ain't married? They won't lie. How do I respond? What if my son stares with a face like my own? He says he wants to be like me when he's grown. Shit, but I ain't finished growing. Another night that never became long. Another day, another dawn. Come on, just tell him Keisha and Teresa I'll be better, I'll be more. Another lie that I carry on. I need to get back to the place I used to love. No more. Coming home, coming home, the world. Coming home, feel like the rain. Wash away all the pain of yesterday. Open up my pain, my face, and never forget me. Exactly, coming home, coming home, coming down the world. Hey yo, check this out. A house is not a home, I hate this song. Is a house really a home when your loved ones is going on? And niggas got the nerve to blame you for it. And you know you would've took the bullet if you so right. But you felt it, and still feel you've been a guest in your own home. Time to make your house your home. Pick up the bar to come on. I'm coming home. Time the world and I'm coming home. Wash away all the pain I've lost today. I know I'm a king down the way. And don't forget my mistakes. That I'm coming home. Come on, coming home. Come around the world. Check us out. Home, yeah, ain't no stopping us now. I love that song whenever it comes on. It makes me feel strong. I thought I told you that we won't stop. So we back cruising through Harlem. These old blocks is what made me, saved me, drove me crazy, drove me away to embrace me. Forgiveness, never all of my shortcomings. Welcome to my homecoming. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. A lot of fights, a lot of scars, a lot of bottles, a lot of cars, a lot of ups, a lot of downs. Made it back, lost my bonus, you billy. Here I stand, go on, stay. Let them know it's started, man. Thank you, Lord, thank you, home, thank you, Lord. I'm coming home. Oh, tell the world that I'm coming home. Coming out the rain, wash it. Feel so good, baby. Yes, feel so good. Come on, in a place like home. Everything in a place like home. I'm coming home, I'm home. Coming home, coming home, coming home.